Good morning, class. For today's session, we will be talking about Field Study 2. I am Janine Natura together with my partner, Jamilyn Acenas. Here are some key points highlighting the importance of accomplishing Field Study 2. First is the practical application. Field Study 2 allows pre-service teachers to apply the theoretical concepts and pedagogical strategies they have learned in their coursework. It offers them a chance to observe experienced teachers in action, engage with the students, and implement their own lessons under the guidance of a cooperating teacher. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing practical teaching skills. Second is the classroom management skills. Effective classroom management is vital for creating a conducive learning environment. FS2 provides an opportunity for pre-service teachers to learn how to manage student behavior, establish routines, and foster positive relationships with their students. It helps them understand the complexities of managing a diverse group of learners, ensuring that teaching and learning can take place effectively. Third is reflective practice. Field Study 2 encourages pre-service teachers to reflect on their teaching experiences and critically analyze their own practice. By observing and reflecting on their lessons, they can identify their strengths and areas for improvement. This reflective practice enables them to grow as educators and make informed decisions about their teaching approaches. Fourth is professional development. FS2 serves as a platform for pre-service teachers to develop their professional identities and establish their teaching philosophies. It allows them to gain valuable feedback from experienced educators, which help shape their teaching methods and beliefs. The guidance and mentorship received during this field study contribute to the overall professional development of a pre-service teachers. Fifth is understanding learners. In FS2, pre-service teachers have the opportunity to work with a diverse range of students, each with unique backgrounds, abilities, and learning styles. This experience helps them gain a deeper understanding of their students' needs, challenges, and strengths. It promotes empathy and equips them with the skills to differentiate instruction to meet the individual needs of their future students. And lastly, building relationships. Field Study 2 facilitates the development of professional relationships between pre-service teachers, cooperating teachers, and students. These connections provide a supportive network that can offer guidance, collaboration, and mentorship beyond the field study period. Building strong relationships is crucial for fostering a positive teaching and learning environment. In conclusion, accomplishing Field Study 2 is of great importance as it bridges the gap between theory and practice, develops practical teaching skills, fosters reflective practice, contributes to professional growth, enhances understanding of learners, and establishes valuable professional relationships, plays a vital role in preparing pre-service teachers for the challenges and rewards of their future careers and education.
Now let's proceed with the important parts of the Field Study 2 book. We have here the first one, the objectives and overview. The book typically begins by outlining the objectives of Field Study 2 and providing an overview of the course. This section gives pre-service teachers a clear understanding of what they are expected to achieve and the scope of their teaching experiences. We also have here the framework and guidelines. The Field Study 2 book presents a framework and guidelines for conducting observations and participating in teaching activities. It may provide a structured format or template for documenting observations, reflecting on experiences, and analyzing teaching strategies. These guidelines help pre-service teachers organize their thoughts and observations effectively. We have here the third one, which is the observation techniques. So this book may include information on various observation techniques and tools that pre-service teachers can utilize during their classroom observations. It may provide guidance on how to take field notes, record observations, and analyze data gathered during the observation process. Understanding and effectively implementing observation techniques is essential for gathering accurate and meaningful information about classroom dynamics and instructional practices. We also have here the teaching strategies and the best practices. So the Field Study book often highlights a range of teaching strategies and best practices that pre-service teachers can observe and learn from during their experiences. These strategies may cover areas such as lesson planning, instructional delivery, assessment methods, classroom management, and differentiated instruction. The book may provide explanations, examples, and analysis of these strategies to help pre-service teachers understand their effectiveness and application. The fifth one is the reflection and analysis. So Field Study 2 or FS2 emphasizes the importance of reflection and analysis in professional growth. The book may include sections dedicated to guiding pre-service teachers in reflecting on their teaching experiences, analyzing their observations, and identifying areas for improvement. It may provide prompt reflections to stimulate thoughtful reflection and encourage critical thinking about teaching practices. We also have collaboration and feedback, which is in the book may emphasize the value of collaboration and feedback in the teaching profession. It may provide strategies for effective collaboration with methods, colleagues, and other stakeholders involved in the teaching experience. Additionally, the book may offer guidance on giving and receiving feedback constructively, which is essential for professional growth and continuous improvement. Lastly, we have documentation and portfolios. So Field Study 2 often requires pre-service teachers to create documentation and portfolios to showcase their learning and experiences. The book may provide instructions and templates for creating these documents, including guidelines for organizing and presenting evidence of their teaching competencies and achievements. Overall, the Field Study 2 book serves as a comprehensive resource that supports pre-service teachers throughout their Field Study 2 course. It provides essential information, guidelines, and tools that enable them to effectively observe, reflect, analyze, and improve their teaching practices. The book acts as a companion, helping pre-service teachers make the most out of their field experiences and facilitating their professional growth as a future educator.